A very good morning to all of you, my dear students. So here we are after your midterm exams, and we are going to start a new chapter, chapter 11, lines and angles. So before I begin, I would request you all to write all the definitions in your notebook. Starting with the definitions. Line. A line is a straight path which has no end points, means it can move in any of the directions. Line segment is a straight path which has two end points. So it is actually part of a line. It cannot move in any direction. A ray is a line which has one end point and endless from other side. Means from this side it is fixed, and the arrow where you can see from this side it can move further also. Now angles. So angles, the corners made by the intersection of two lines or line segments are called angles. Two lines or line segments. Here you can see AB and BC are meeting at point B, isn't it? So then this portion between AB and BC is called your angle. We write angles as, this is the symbol of writing the angle. I hope you remember. So if I want to show this angle, this will be angle YOX. Clear? So different angles are written here. Now we have various type of angles which we have already studied. Let us revise them. In a nutshell, acute angle. An acute angle is an angle which measures from 0 degree, means it should be greater than 0 degree, and it should be less than 90 degree. Any angle between 90 and 0 will be a acute angle. Right angle always measures exactly 90 degree. Obtuse angle is an angle that measures between 90 degree and 180 degree. Straight angle is an angle whose measurement is actually 180 degree only. Okay. Now you have a reflex angle. The measurement of reflex angle is greater than 180 degree and less than 360 degree. If I extend this line, this will be 180 degree plus this angle will give you a 225 degree angle. Fine. Full angle or a complete angle is an angle which measures exactly 360 degree. Now we have some more terms. Complementary angles are the angles where sum of two angles is 90 degree. So look here. Here I have taken a complete 90 degree angle and divided it in two parts. One is 65 degree and another is 25 degree. When you add 65 and 25, you will get a 90 degree. So 65 and 25 are complementary angles. If I say what is the complement of 30 degree, so it will be 60 degree, because 90 minus 30 will be 60, or you can say 30 plus 60 will give you a 90 degree. Supplementary angles, just like complementary angles, but here supplementary angles will give you the measure of a straight angle. Remember, like this, S for supplementary and S for straight. So here the sum of two angles will be 180 degree. If I say one of the angle is 60 degree, what is its supplement? Its supplement will be 120 degree. Clear? If I say one of the angle is 50 degree, what is its supplement? Its supplement will be 130 degree. Fine. Okay. Now moving on to adjacent angles. Adjacent in simple words are your neighbors with whom you are sharing one of the wall. Or in your school you must have seen your classrooms where one of the wall is shared between two classrooms. Same way, it is a pair of two angles which are placed next to each other. Adjacent angles have a common vertex, a common arm, a non-common arm which could be on either side of the common arm. So here you see one angle is this, another angle is this. When I am attaching both of them, what we are getting is this kind of figure. Now here, which arm is the adjacent arm? This arm is the adjacent arm because it is shared by both part C also and part D also. Clear? Now we have linear pair of angles. Linear pair of angle is also a pair of supplementary angle as their sum is 180 degree. So if two angles made up to 180 degree, you will say they are supplementary to each other, or you can say that they form a linear pair of angles. Fine. In the given figure, pair of angles are adjacent as they have one common arm. Yes, because this blue arm you can see is common between 60 degree also and 120 degree also. Supplementary as the sum of the two angles is 180 degree, and the linear pair as the sum is 180 degree, and the non-common arms are opposite rays. Means one of the arm will be shared by both of them, and non-common arms here will be in opposite direction. Anyways, you just remember that linear pair of angle forms an angle whose sum is 180 degree. Now vertically opposite angles, as the name says opposite, please see here a figure is given. Now here you can see and tell which two angles are vertically opposite. M and N are opposite angles and A and B are opposite angles, isn't it? So when two lines intersect each other, then they form four angles. So that A and B is a pair of opposite angle, vertically opposite angle, and M and N are pair of vertically opposite angles. Clear? So this vertically opposite angles you will only get when two lines are intersecting, means when two lines cut each other at a particular point. Now let us see some examples. The first example is find the angle which is 2 by 3 of its supplement. So here you should remember what was supplement. Supplement means two angles should be there whose sum is 180 degree. So let the required, they are asking to find the angle which is 2 by 3 of its supplement. So let us assume the unknown angle is x and its supplement will be 180 minus x. Why 180 minus x? Because if I say one of the angle is 30 degree, so then its supplement will be what? Its supplement will be 180 minus 30, isn't it? Yes, so same way if I am assuming one of the angle is x, its supplement is 180 minus x, then according to question 2 by 3 of 180 minus x is x degree because it is given, which is 2 by 3 of its supplement. So 2 by 3 of its supplement is equal to the unknown angle. So here are the steps. On solving them, you will get the value of x as 72 degree, and its supplement also you can calculate by doing 180 minus 72 degree. Example 2 is find the value of x in the given figure. Now here they have given you a figure. If you see, POQ is a straight line. And what is the measure of a straight line? It is always equal to 180 degree. So how we will proceed? Angle POR means this angle plus angle ROQ is equal to 180 degree because they are the angles of a linear pair. Linear pair as POQ is a straight line. So 2x plus 60 degree plus 3x minus 40 degree is equal to 180 degree. On solving them, you will get the value of x as 32. They are asking you to find the value of x. If I am asking you to find the value of each angle, so you have got the value of x as 32 degree. You will put x in this, you will get one value. You will put the value of x here, you will get the value of other angle also. Clear? Now we have some questions from your exercise 11.1 of page 171 and 172. Question number 3 says, find the value of x in following figures. Here again if you see, angle AOE is a linear angle. So what I will do, taking this as a straight angle, angle AOB plus BOC plus COD plus DOE is equal to 180 degree. Putting all the values, you will get the value of x as 18 degree. Clear? See, if you see it is a straight line, then whatever angles are given, just add them and equate them equal to 180 degree. You will get the value of unknown angle. Question number 5 says from the given figure find x. Now here if you see the figure, it is not a straight angle, it is actually complete angle. Why complete angle? Because if you see properly, it is forming a circle. And what was the measure of a complete angle? Yes, it was equal to 360 degree. So what we will do, angle DOA plus angle AOB plus angle BOC plus angle COD is 360 degree. On solving all of them, you will get the value of x as 130 degree. Question number 7. In given figure, xy is a straight line. You can see it. OP, this is OP and OQ stand on line XY. Write all the pair of linear and adjacent angles. So adjacent angles means two angles you can see where one arm is common. So from the given figure, adjacent angles are angle XOP and POQ. Fine. This is one adjacent angle. What is the other adjacent angle? Other adjacent angle is angle POQ and QOY. Okay. Then what is the next adjacent angle? Angle XOP and angle POY, and the other adjacent angle is angle XOQ and angle XOY. What about the linear pair of angle? Means the sum should be 180 degree. So these two angles, angle XOP and angle POY, will be forming a linear pair, and another is angle XOQ and QOY will be forming a linear pair. Question number 10 says in triangle PQR, PQ and R, sides PR and QR are extended to A and B respectively. If angle ARB is 62 degree, find angle PRQ and angle BRQ. From the given figure, angle ARB is 62 degree, it is already given, and angle ARB, this is ARB, where this one is ARB and BRQ is a linear pair of angle. So this will add up to 180 degree and you will get the value of angle BRQ as 118 degree. Okay, same way angle BRQ when you will take, where is BRQ? This is your BRQ. This one is your BRQ and angle QRP will add up to 180 degree. So it will give you the value of PRQ as 62 degree. Please see the questions and then try to solve yourself in your notebook so that you can understand. This chapter is very easy. So that was all for today. Your today's homework is listed here. Do your works on time and submit regularly. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay safe.